Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the topic multiple and factor. This is the one of the very important topic of the mathematics. Let's start. This is the table of content that we are going to understand about multiple and factor. The first one is definition of multiple. The second one is which are the methods of finding out the multiples, properties of multiple. Then we are going to learn about factor, definition of factor, which are the methods of finding out factors. Then we will see properties of factor. Then how factor and multiple are related. And finally we will see difference between the multiple and factor. So let's start with what is called multiple. The product of two or more numbers is called a multiple of the numbers that are multiplied. Product means a result obtained by multiplying a number by another number. You can see here, when we multiplying 6 by 5, we get the product 30. That means 30 is the multiple of 6 and 5. When we multiplying 2 into 5 into 6, we get product 60. So here 60 is the multiple of the numbers 2, 5 and 6. So product of two or more numbers is called a multiple of the numbers that are multiplied. A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by same or any other number. For example, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So 20 is called a multiple of 5 and 20 is also multiple of 4. 20 into 1 is equal to 20. In this example, 20 is multiple of 20 and 20 is multiple of 1. Okay. Next, find out the multiple of 7. So to finding out the multiple of 7, we multiply 7 by any number is equal to, we get its multiple. Okay. So we multiply 7 by 1, 7 by 2, 7 by 3, 7 by 4, 7 by 5 and so on. So we get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers. So multiple of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and so on. Next is finding out the multiple of 5. So to find the multiple of 5, multiply 5 with any number, so we get multiple of 5. So we multiply 5 by 1, 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 5, 5 by 6 and so on. So we get a series of multiple by multiplying the given number by other numbers. So multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Okay. Next, to find the multiple of 2, we multiply 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4 and so on. We get series of multiple by multiplying 2 with other numbers. Same way multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Multiples of 9s are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. In simple term, multiples are the multiplication table of the given number. Next, if we have asked, find out first 5 multiples of 4. So let's find out first 5 multiples of 4. We have to multiply 4 by first 5 numbers. Okay. So first 5 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So multiply 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 4 and 4 by 5. So we get first 5 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay. Next, if we have asked, find out first 5 odd multiples of 3. So for that, first 5 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Multiply it with 3. So we get the first 5 odd multiples of 3. So first 5 odd multiples of 3 are 3, 9, 15, 21 and 27. Okay. Next, if we have asked to find first 5 even multiples of 7. So for that, first 5 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We have to multiply first 5 even numbers with this 7. So we get first 5 even multiples of 7 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. Okay. Next, we will see properties of multiple. First property of multiple is each and every number is a multiple of itself. And each and every number is the multiple of 1 also. For example, 3 by 1 is equal to 3. So here multiple of 3 is 3. And multiple of 3 is 1 also. Same way, 6 by 1 is equal to 6. So multiple of 6 is 6 and multiple of 6 is 1 also. Same way multiple of 9 is 9 and multiple of 9 is 1 also. Same way multiple of 20 is 20 and multiple of 20 is 1. Okay. So we conclude here every number is a multiple of itself and each and every number is the multiple of 1 also. Okay. Next property, the smallest multiple of a number is number itself. For example, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So here smallest multiple of 3 is 3. So each and every non-zero number is the multiple of itself. Okay. Next property, every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number itself. For example, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 3 into 3 is equal to 9 and so on. Multiple of 3 are 3 and more than 3. Okay. For better understand, you recall the tables of the multiplication and you have noticed that multiple of any number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Okay. Next, there is no largest multiple of a number as multiple are infinites. For example, multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Okay. A number can have unlimited multiples. Okay. So this is the last properties of multiple. Now here remember one thing, 0 is multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. Okay. When studying factors of a number, we only consider positive integers. A factor cannot be a fraction or a decimal. Also, since division by 0 is undefined, so 0 cannot be a factor of any number. For example, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. That means 0 is a multiple of 2. But 0 is not a factor of 2. Because division by 0 is not defined. So 0 cannot be a factor of any number. Okay. Let's see the concept of factor. Factor, that is nothing but divides the given object or number evenly or exactly, leaving no remainder. Let's see the definition. A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly without a remainder. Okay, leaving no remainder and evenly and exactly the given number is divided, it's called a factor. A number that divides evenly into another number. Okay. Next, how to find factors of a number? We can use the both division and multiplication method to find out the factors. Start with the find out factors by division method. So to find out the factors of a number using division method, first we have to follow these steps. Okay, this process. First one is find all the numbers less than or equal to the given number. The second step is divide the given number by each of the numbers. The third is the divisors that gives the remainder to be 0 are the factors of the number. Let's see with the example. Find the factors of 6 using division method. For finding out the factor of number 6, first we have to find out the number that are less than or equal to the 6. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So let's divide 6 by each of these numbers. 6 by 1, 6 by 2, 6 by 3, 6 by 4, 6 by 5, 6 by 6. Okay. So here we can observe that divisor 1, 2, 3 and 6 give 0 as the remainder. So therefore factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now next, which are the numbers that can divide 10 completely? So for that, you have to find out the number which are less than or equal to the 10. Okay. So those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. After that, divide 10 by 1, 10 by 2, 10 by 3, 10 by 4, 10 by 5, 10 by 6, 10 by 7, 10 by 8, 10 by 9 and 10 by 10. Okay. So from that, you got the remainder 0 in the case of 10 by 1, 10 by 2, 10 by 5 and 10 by 10. Okay. So factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Next, which are the numbers that can divide 16 completely? So 16 by 1, 16 by 2, 16 by 4, 16 by 8 and 16 by 16 give us 0 as a remainder. So factor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Next, find out factors by multiplication method. So to find the factors using multiplication, we have to follow this step. First one is write the given number as the product of two numbers in different possible ways. Second process, all the numbers that are involved in all these products are the factors of the given number. Okay. Find out the factors of 12 using multiplication method. So, in order to find the factors of 12 using multiplication, we need to check what pairs of numbers multiply to get 12. Okay. So, let's write 12 as the product of two numbers in every possible way. So, 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Okay. So, factors of 12 are all the numbers that are involved in all this product are the factor of the given number. Okay. So, number involved in this product are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. So, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Next, factors of 10 by multiplication table. So, 10 comes in one table, 10 comes in two table, 10 comes in 5 table and 10 comes in 10th table. Okay. So, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. Next, factors of 16 by multiplication table. Okay. So, 16 comes in one table, 16 comes in table of 2, 16 comes in table of 4, 16 comes in table of 8 and 16 comes in table of 16. So, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. We will see properties of factor. So, first property of factor is 1 is a factor of every number. Second property is a number is a factor of itself. The third property is every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Next, a number itself is the greatest factor of itself. Next property, every number except 1 has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. The number of factors of a number is finite. Okay, let's see with the example. Here 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factors of 21. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 are the factors of 28. 1 and 29 are the factors of 29. So we can notice here that 1 is the biggest factor of itself and the lowest factor of any other number. Okay. As a result, 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So our first property is 1 is the factor of all the numbers. The smallest factor of any number is 1. The second property is the largest factor of any number is number itself. Okay. In 21, largest factor is 21. In 28, largest factor is 28. In 29, largest factor is 29. That means the largest factor of any number is the number itself. Okay. Next, every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. Okay. This number is either less than or equal to the given number. Okay. You have seen that. Okay. Next, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Okay. We have marked here. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. A number itself is the greatest factor of every number. Okay. Number itself is the greatest factor of every number. Every number except 1 has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay. For example, here 29 has at least two factors, 1 and number itself. The number of factors of a number is finite. Okay. Next, how factors and multiples are related. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 3 is a factor of 12 and 12 is the multiple of 3. Okay. Next, 12 is a multiple of 1 and 12. Same way, 12 is a multiple of 2 and 6 and 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. And factors of 12 are the numbers that are involved in all these product are the factors of given number. Okay. So the numbers are involved in all these product are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. I hope you better understand the concept of multiple and factors. Okay. And how multiples and factors are to be related. Okay. Next, difference between multiple and factor. So multiples are the number obtained as a product of a given number and integers. Okay. Whereas factor are number that divides the given number without leaving a remainder. Multiples are always greater than or equal to the given number, whereas a factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. The next is the number of multiple is infinite, whereas the number of factors of a given number is finite. Okay. I hope up to this the concept is clear to you. If you found any query regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will definitely give you a solution. Bye. Take care. Thank you.
Please subscribe Happy to Teach tutorial channel for watching more videos and press the bell icons for getting notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.